on guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Dr. Leanna and today's video is basically me getting adjusted, me adjusting another chiropractor. So people always ask like, who do I get treated by? Do I get adjusted? And I usually get adjusted. I try to get adjusted like once every 2 weeks, at least once a month. But right now it's just maintenance care because I don't ever really feel pain. My low back flares up every once in a while, and particularly on this day, my low back was really bugging me. Like I could feel that my sacrum on the left side was just stuck. And so immediately after I got it adjusted, like it was immediate relief. Like it felt so much better. Like it wasn't painful, but I could just tell that it was like my hip was hiked and it was just stuck. And I think once you become more aware of your body, you can like recognize that and get it fixed right away so it doesn't become a problem. Whereas people that aren't really in tune with their own body, like stuff like that would happen and they wouldn't really recognize it until it gets to a point where you're in so much pain that you can't walk. And then that's where you run into trouble with getting back or recovering to that healthy point again. It takes a lot longer than if you would have just addressed it initially. So that's basically going to be the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and I will see you in the next one.
Cost more, but then also there you go. You got it. Nice.
This side.
Like talk
I'll
about it.
Look at it.
Nice. Where do you put your, like, what do you do with my knee or my leg? What do you do there?
So I basically just bring it up like this.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't got time.
Okay. Well, we gotta check the websites too.
Yeah, you definitely need to move that thing up.
So.
Ooh, that was a good one. Holy. Wow. Oh, there you go. I've needed that for so long.
Let's get you to lay on this side.
Yeah, this side of my low back, you can tell it's just like
Alright.
something ain't right.
So this
Okay.
is how I do it.
Okay.
But I usually just have like your leg in between me here.
Oh, I see.
And what were you doing?
I'm trying to think what I do with my other leg. Yeah, that's what I pretty much do.
Really? Oh yeah. I mean, it was your
Sacrum?
your SI joint, right?
Yeah, that's what I could feel, yeah. I don't know, I feel like you're good at side posture, so whenever you say you can't get someone, it's crazy to me, because it's like, if I can get people... There you go. Yeah, that's more my lumbar.
More your lumbar,
Yeah.
Go one more time. This side feels just a little stuck.
I think you're right. There you go.
Your whole hip.
Yeah, that was like my whole leg. Nice. Oh, I think you got it a little bit. Nice. I can never get that one. That one definitely felt like it needed it more left. Oh, there you go. I knew that one was going to go. When I went to the rehab, oh, that was nice. the continuing education, like, they gave us that whole thing.
Okay.
I'm not really into it. Like, if people actually want it, I'm like, sure, but most of the people don't think it does anything, so I'm like, I'm not gonna waste my time then.
Yeah. Get your sit up here. Get your shoulder.
That was really good.
On 3. Snap it back real hard. 1, 2, 3.